freight elevator at the Rhodehouse Science Building at Thiel College in Greenville, Pennsylvania. This is a 1958 Otis traction freight elevator. That key's kind of messed up. And use light's on, which means something must not be shut all the way. It's a key call button, but it's on this floor. All right, let's open it up. There's a collapsible Otis gate on the inside. Okay, cool, it's not keyed on the inside. Okay, this must be bottom drive. Yeah, Governor, this is a bottom drive. Tiring camera's a bit hard. All right, let's close it up. Quack, quack, Mr. Otis Duck. Close it up. All right. Make sure we'll go. I don't know where that goes. All right. Let's go to the basement. That's been like walled off. You can see concrete on the other side of that. That's interesting. That's funny. Here's the basement. Seems open to a student lounge. Yeah, there's a door, a landing door on every floor, which is interesting. And that goes to some laboratory. That's two. It's a basic old Otis freight elevator cab. 1,500 pound capacity. Someone covered zero to make it 15,000 pounds. 10 people, I guess, emergency capacity, but then someone put like it's zero to make it 100 people. That's funny. Certificate installed in 1958. It's also cool as you can see up the shaft a little bit. I can't really see it well with my camera. Very slow, typical bottom deck Otis freight for the time. There's a Miller sticker right there. Look at that, you can see that gear move. That's really neat. Here too. Now I'm going to get a better view of some of the workings in action. Let's do this gear. All right, let's go. Here's the car top. I think that's the car top station. I'm not entirely sure. Sorry if the camera's a little crooked. It's a bit of an awkward angle. Yeah, that's a newer car top inspection. I think that's either Quality or Adams. I'm guessing Miller or Schindler did that. All right, now let's go back up to 2 and leave it where I found it. Oh, watch the gear stop. Why not? Here, back at 2. This is a really cool freight elevator. Oh, that's interesting. There's like a key switch to turn on and off car buttons. Luckily, it's not in use though. Let's open it up. Door's a bit hard to pull. Now, close it back up off camera. That's gonna be it.